Good morning, everybody. This is Joe. Let's talk about today driveways and driveway repair. This is a typical driveway in Indianapolis, Indiana. You can kind of see looks like there's some problems there in the middle, and let's take a closer look at that. Here we can see this is because the fill underneath the concrete has given way. Either it wasn't compacted or there's water have gotten in it and it eroded out. It looks like the thickness of the concrete isn't bad. I've seen it where sometimes it's the concrete because it's only an inch or so thick. But here it looks like it's in the concrete itself. It's the fill underneath that really has the problem. And what's my solution to something like this? Well, I'm out at the garden patio show at Indianapolis this week, and I've talked to a lot of people that either want to patch it or whatever, and I don't want to get a call next year of going, Joe, the thing I did, it's all. What we'll recommend doing is tearing it all out, putting back fill, compacting it, and doing it correctly. So yes, it's more expensive, but you don't run into this situation down the road. Also, one final thing on this particular situation. When it starts separating like this, when water can easily get down between it, it goes fast because more and more of the fill will be taken out. As you drive cars, you start breaking up the concrete, which allows even more and more water. So anyway, give me a call down in the description, a call or a text. This is Joe, and thanks for watching.